These machines are versatile, capable of cutting through various types of wood, from softwood to hardwood, making them indispensable for many tasks. However, wood chippers are not without their dangers. They can cause serious injuries if not used properly. Always wear the right protective gear, such as goggles, gloves, and ear protection, and read the manual thoroughly before operating a wood chipper. Ensure all safety measures are in place. Keep a clear line of sight, avoid overloading the chipper, and never turn your back on it. So, a wood chipper's worth the risk. With the right precautions, they can be a safe and invaluable tool for your yard. Stay safe and chip smart. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.